Hello students, today our topic is The Animal Farm, a book by George Orwell. This book is in the syllabus of BA Part 1st English Literature. Animal Farm is an allegorical novella by George Orwell. It was first published in England on 17th August 1945. The book tells the story of a group of farm animals who rebel against their human farmer, hoping to create a society where the animals be equal, free, and happy. Ultimately, however, the rebellion is betrayed and the farm ends up in a state as bad as it was before, under the dictatorship of a pig named Napoleon. According to Orwell, the fable reflects events leading up to the Russian Revolution of 1917 and then on into the settling era of the Soviet Union. The poorly run manor farm near Willingdon in England is ripened for rebellion from its animal populace by neglect at the hands of the irresponsible and alcoholic farmer. One night, the exalted old major holds a conference at which he calls for the overthrow of human and teaches the animals a revolutionary song called Beasts of England. When the old major dies, two young pigs, Napoleon and Snowball, assume command and state a revolt, driving Mr. John off the farm and renaming the farmhouse as Animal Farm. Earlier it was Manor Farmhouse and it was renamed Animal Farm. They adopted the 7 commandments of animalism, the most important of which is all animals are equal. All the animals are equal. There is no discrimination. Snowball teaches the animals to read and write, while Napoleon educates young puppies on the principle of animalism. To commemorate the start of Animal Farm, Snowball raises a green flag with a white hoof and horn. Food is plentiful and the farm runs smoothly. The pigs elevate themselves to positions of leadership and set aside special food items. Following by an unsuccessful attempt by Mr. John and his associates to retake the farm, Snowball announces his plans to modernize the farm by building a windmill. Napoleon was against this and there was a dispute between Napoleon and Snowball. Napoleon disputes this idea. Snowball was expelled from the farmhouse and Napoleon became the supreme commander of the farmhouse. In this way, we learn that the animals revolted against human beings to be free, to live at ease, to have their personal lives. But actually, Napoleon became the dictator of that farm. For further details, we know in our next chapter. We discuss about the remaining part of the book in the next chapter. Thank you.